Hey there, Facebook Free Leads fans. This is Fred, the submarine guy. This is a little bonus training I want to give you for, I think it's lesson number 3, and that's how to pull leads off of Facebook for free and get them into your group. The best way to do that, excuse me, is along with your story, which we're talking about here in lesson 3, is to put a little graphic, sort of with the headline and the the call to action on it, because people have such short attention spans these days that they'll quickly go to the graphic and say, this is about this and I can get that. Okay, I'm going to click, right? And they'll click on your link, sometimes without even reading your article, right? But in any case, it'll give you that extra chance to get the lead if you have a graphic. And I know a lot of you are saying, oh geez, I don't know how to make graphics, but there's a lot of programs out there that don't cost anything that you can make graphics with. I'm on a site right now called Canva, canva.com. It's a free graphics program, and what I do is I go in here and I click on create a design, and then I was making these for Twitter posts, and you can see this right here is something they got for Twitter, and it's 1024 by 512. That's about 2-to-1 ratio, so that works pretty good on Facebook as well, I've found. So you can use the Twitter post and they'll come up with a bunch of examples that right over here in the bottom right they'll say free, and then some of them, if they have pictures in them, might cost you $1 or $2 or something like that. All kind of stuff, there's food, there's motivational sayings, there's all kind of things. And I grabbed one. Let me kind of go back and let's see, I might be able to find it here actually. Yeah, I think it was this one right here. I grabbed this one, and what it does is it puts it over here in the window next to it. Let me move this down a little bit. And you can see each one of these pieces is sort of a different element, and you can change them. You can change the colors. If I click on this and then click on this, I can make it blue, for instance, that kind of thing. So you can do a lot of that kind of stuff with them. And then you can save it and download it to your computer. So let me show you a couple of these things that I've used these for. Let's see, I think I was over in this window. Here's one I made. Let me move this out of the way a little bit. Here's one I made for my 300 power words and phrases lead magnet documents, right? Grab today for free kind of thing. It's got my logo on there. It's got my picture. You can turn this image a little bit here. See, there's a little turn thing there. So I turn that to give it a little texture. You can change these, move the text around. You can choose a font. There's hundreds of fonts they have with these things. It's just phenomenal what you can do with these. And anyway, you can, once you do it, you download it to your computer, and then you can use it and post it on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram, those kind of places. Now I'll show you one other one I did here. Here's a trick I learned. Okay, I started making these for our free leads from Facebook program, and what this is the background is this black part, right? And everything else sits on top of it. So look what I can do. If I want to change it from black to, let's say, dark blue, bam. Look at that. Now I've got another graphic that the words are all the same, the pictures are all the same, but I've got a blue background, so it looks like a brand new graphic, right? I can make a dark green background. I think I've done all these, right? I can make this one's kind of dark red. There's a dark brown, dark purple. I kind of like that one. All kinds of stuff. So you can have like 5 or 6 graphics for just changing the background. after you get one that you like. Now, these pictures I get, see this girl here and this girl, well, same girl, right? Here's a trick on that. What you do is, if you go over to Google Images, images.google.com, and just say girl pointing right or something like that. I think that's how I found her. Yeah, see, you can get people like that. You can get guys pointing right. You can get groups of guys and girls or whatever. But here's the thing I want to show you on this. Google Images will give you all these, but you can't use all of them in a commercial enterprise, so to speak. So what you do is you go over to Tools and then Usage Rights, and then click on Label for Reuse. And boom, see, a lot of them went away. Whoop, look, there's that girl I got. She's pointing up on this one, obviously, but so you'll see lots of people pointing here, and you can pick out whoever you want, kind of thing. But that's how you got it. See, there's that same girl. She did a lot of these, and they're unlimited use for her. I think if you click on it, yeah, you can see all of her images, right? That'll clear up once it loads up fully. But what you do is you can just click on them and download them, save to your hard drive, kind of thing. And then, whoops, I think I clicked on something else there. Sorry about that. Anyway, you download them, and you can use them in your, see, there she is again. You can download it either here or just click on the link and download it. And then what you do is you can modify them in your image creation software. I use let me see if I can find it. I might have it open here. I use a product called Photoscape. That's free. Should open up here. There it is. Photoscape's nondescript here, but it's a graphics editor, and you can open up any picture in here you want. You can put text on top of it with their text tool. You can crop it. You can resize it. You can paint over it. You can put multiple images on it. You can put frames around it if you want to. You can do all kind of things, and that's how I kind of mess around with the videos or the graphics kind of thing. All right. So, but the key is here on Facebook, Google Images rather, is to click on that link at the top that says, oh wait, somehow I got over to Pixabay here. Sorry. Here it is, Google. That's why. Label for reuse. Label for reuse down here. Click on that. Then any graphic that you choose off of this page should be okay to use in a commercial enterprise like we're doing here. Okay, so that's how you pick up images. There's other places you can get free to use images, Pixabay and places like that. But anyway, what I did with that one that I had the two girls on, or the one girl pointing two different directions, right? I just found two different images of her, and actually I think it was one image, two images, and she was pointing right on both of them, and I just flipped this one here. And then once I got her situated, I put this yellow section in here and some writing on top, and this just writing with a clear background or a invisible background on the top. Anyway, that's how you can make some graphics. I don't know if I got my, let's see, my graphics program. Where was I? Facebook free leads. I thought that's where I was. Oh wait, I'm on the wrong one. Never mind. Let me see. Graphics. Here we go. Facebook free leads. There we go. No, got to get over to. Why can't I get into? I'm sorry. I thought I had this better laid out here. I got a lot of graphics, so it takes a long time for them to load up here in my pictures folder. As soon as they do, I'll show you the free Facebook leads. See, there's all the ones. Let me blow them up a little bit. There's all the ones that I was talking about. See, these are all the same. It's just the background color is different. See how I made those? There's one I made with the graphics program I just brought up. You can set the background, then you can set the fonts and type on the front. I put a little border around it that had a shadow on it, kind of thing. Once you start doing this, you can get pretty good at it pretty quick. It's not hard to learn. These are all free. Freeware. This graphic software I got is freeware. Anyway, the reason I use those graphics again is to the reason I use the graphics again is to draw extra attention to my post on Facebook when I'm trolling around for free leads, right? And I think you can do the same thing. You obviously you might not put exact same words I got up here. You could put what you want, what you're looking for, what you're offering, what you're training on, that kind of thing, and go from there. Anyway, that's how to make the free leads. Graphics that I post. I'll post a couple of them up here in the group as well, and we'll kind of go from there. Anyway, I hope this helps, and everybody have a great day. Am I recording? I already did that. Did I click record? It is recording. Okay, so I found where I left off here. Sorry about that. Anyway, that's how you make graphics. Again, all these programs are free, easy to use. You can screw them up, restart, do a different one, that kind of thing. Also, make sure if you use images from Google or Pixabay or anywhere else that they're free to reuse for commercial purposes, because that's kind of what we're doing. So if you got that little tag on them, you can download them, use them all you want. Anyway, hope this helps. Down in the other side, yeah, that side right there is a subscribe button. If you hadn't subscribed to my channel, do that and you'll get first notification of future trainings. And give me a big thumbs up there if you like this video. I know it's a little disjointed. I apologize for that. I'm not a professional here, but trying to help you out and get you to be a better marketer. Comments welcome down here. If you don't like the video, that's fine. You can put that there too. If you like the video, put in a comment there. I would appreciate it, and feel free to refer others. Have a great day.